fine Saturday evening here in Surat as easemytrip.com Big Cricket League continues. Action coming from the Lalbhai Contractors Stadium. It's the MP Tigers who are in action for the first time. They'll be taking on Rajasthan Regals.
It's time for the Saturday evening blockbuster encounter at the easemytrip.com Big Cricket League. With me, the captains of the two teams. Leading the MP Tigers is Yusuf Pathan. Leading the Rajasthan Regals is Tilakratne Dilshan. And of course, our match referee, Mr. Sunil Chaturvedi. Subhai, you have the coin?
Head is the call.
Head is the call.
Heads, you win. What you will do? We are going to bowl first.
And heads it is. Yes, Dilshan will have a quick chat with you. Yes, Dilshan, you have won the toss. What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm going to bowl first.
Jiha, so that's the update from the center. It's the Rajasthan Regals who have won the toss and they will bowl first.
Tilakratne Dilshan leading the side in place of Shahbaz Nadeem. Two-time World Cup winner Yusuf Pathan is in the house as well. The umpires coming onto the field. It's a nice breezy Saturday evening here in Surat. And if you are in this part of the world, do come along and enjoy some cricket. Tilakratne Dilshan then leading the side onto the ground. Shahbaz Nadeem in there as well. Parikshit Jadhav, he had a good outing, as did Mohammad Faizan and Dhairya Dalal. Amateur cricketers, young stars of tomorrow, sharing the stage. And the openers are in for the MP Tigers, who are making their debut in this big cricket league. And that's what they're playing for, the big shiny trophy for the first season of easemytrip.com Big Cricket League. Time to play. Just a bit short, and Saket has brought the roaring crowd to its feet. 4 of the very first ball. Spanking start for the MP Tigers. This is good. Quick run here. Direct hit needed. Good work from the fielder and keeper combination as well. Keeper Parikshit Yadav. Well, directed was needed, but the throw was on point and the keeper probably didn't make a mistake, and this could be the first wicket. Confirmation then on the big screen. The first wicket has fallen. Gone for a duck without facing a ball. It's 4 for 1. Played it in the air over the infield. This should run away for 4. And Munawira is off the mark.
बाहरी किनारा मिल गई कामयाबी. पहले ही ओवर में मुनव्वीरा को वापस भेज दिया है धैर्य दलाल ने.
Should have gone in the first over. He's gone now nevertheless. Edging to first slip. The fielder Tilakratne Dilshan making no mistake. Second breakthrough for the Regals. And that's Munawira walking back out for 4.
और बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक वहां पर. कोई मौका नहीं किसी भी खिलाड़ी के लिए. सारे खिलाड़ी, सारे फील्डर दर्शक बन के गेंद को देखते गए. छक्का मिला है साकेत को.
Likes of MS Dhoni with that helicopter shots and then similar shot, which of course we've seen coming out for his bat as well. But a fabulous 6. Just like this, but not on the other side. That'll be a massive 6. Or is it? Oh! Well, he should be getting a 6. Yes, it will be a 6.
साकेत कितनी बेहतरीन तरीके से फ्लिक कर रहे हैं. वहां पर जो फील्डर थे उनकी भी तारीफ करनी होगी. बहुत देर तक इंतजार किया और इस पूरे प्रयास में थे कि अगर जरा सा भी मौका मिल जाएगा तो मैं कैच को लपक लूंगा. जंप जरूर किया था, लेकिन रोशन अगर ये कैच हो भी जाता ना तो वो गिरते बाउंड्री के बाहर ही. इस बार यूसुफ पठान ने गेंद को खेला है. ओह, दिस इज द पावर ऑफ यूसुफ पठान.
I told you this man is coming. He's tasted blood now. Yusuf Pathan, the trademark Yusuf Pathan, is back.
और थर्ड मैन पे 1 रन मिलेगा और इस तरीके से 50 रन पूरे हुए हैं साकेत के. 8 ओवर की समाप्ति पर 80 पे 2.
Full toss, and that's a gift that he is not going to deny. First, he is in brilliant nick. And second, Anurag bhai, if you bowl him a full toss, it's going to go out of the ground.
कभी कभी फुल टॉस गेंद मिलती है, उसको अंजाम देना भी महत्वपूर्ण होता है। और इस बार गेंद की न सिर्फ ऊंचाई थी, दूरी भी। और इस बार मौका था यूसुफ पठान। जी हां, ये वो खिलाड़ी है कि अगर इसे ऐसी गेंदें मिलेंगी तो छोड़ेंगे नहीं। हालांकि अच्छी फ्लाइटेड थी, लेकिन मौका था यूसुफ पठान जैसे खिलाड़ी को अगर आप मुंह के ऊपर देंगे तो लॉन्ग ऑफ के ऊपर से ऐसे शॉट देखने को मिलेंगे।
Local boy and a hero as well.
और गेंद को काफी दूर से खींच के मारा है। वहां पर ऊंचाई तो बहुत थी, दूरी कितनी मिली ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। वहां पर खिलाड़ी ने कैच लेने का प्रयास भी किया, लेकिन भाग्यशाली रहे यूसुफ पठान। वहां पर यूसुफ पठान ने आउटर एज लगा था, ऊंचाई बहुत थी, दूरी पूरी प्राप्त नहीं की। खिलाड़ी मौजूद थे वहां पर और सूर्या का जो एफर्ट था काबिले तारीफ।
Oh, this time he will get that. Oh, that's a big hit. And Yusuf Pathan will join the party.
गिवी बॉल थी अगर कहेंगे तो, लेग स्टंप के बाहर थी और उसी लाइन के साथ खेल दिया है। सारा दिन इन गेंदों को ग्राउंड के बाहर मार सकते हैं यूसुफ पठान। बॉटम हैंड से क्या पावर जनरेट की है। जैसे मैंने कहा 150 का आंकड़ा आ गया है यहां पर एमपी टाइगर्स के लिए।
Yusuf will go forward and will get that 50. The man in the first game itself smashes an impressive 50. That's how that man will make his remarkable comeback. The big cricket league is here, and so is the big man Yusuf Pathan. 50 for that man. Oh, Yusuf Pathan! Remember the name. The ball is gone out of the stadium. As tall as this man is, he can hit the ball with quite some power.
और अब तो लग रहा है कि गेंद जैसे खोती ही रहेगी हर ओवर में। पिछले ओवर में भी एक गेंद बाहर, इस ओवर में भी एक गेंद बाहर।
This time goes high, but might not go all the distance. Oh, this time he's taken it. This time he's gone. No lives given. And a fabulous inning comes to an end from Saket.
प्रशांत यादव ने कोई गलती नहीं की। पिछले ओवर में जो उन्होंने गलती की थी बाउंड्री पर, इस बार उसकी भरपाई की है। काफी देर हवा में टंगी रही गेंद, आगे बढ़कर आए और अच्छे से पकड़ लिया कैच को। लेकिन क्या पारी खेली है यहां पर साकेत शर्मा ने। यूसुफ पठान भी शाबाशी देते हुए 44 गेंदों पे 84 रन बनाकर जा रहे हैं। 169 पर 3 इस समय स्कोर हो चुका है 16वें ओवर में।
The leg spin Amit comes in. Peter Drago comes straight to us in the comp box. Almost there. Almost there on the bounce also. Sunil bhai, we could have taken it on the second bounce. But Drago also joins in the party. Fast big hit for him.
सीधा, सपाट, स्वच्छ, सुंदर 6 था ये। खरबूजे को देख के खरबूजा ऐसे रंग बदलता है प्रभु। इस बार स्लोप स्वीप, इसी ओवर में होगा पार 200।
Look at that shot. Peter Drago. Perfect swing off the bat to a mid-wicket. He's going straight. Is it long? Yes, it is. So make that 3 out of 3.
ये इलाका पसंद आ गया है पीटर ट्रैगो को। ट्रैगो बॉल गो, कहां गो? 6 के लिए 3 लगातार।
There he goes again. This time fielder's interested and it's taken. So anti-climax. The crowd just goes silent. The supporters of the Regals won't go silent. They'll be happy. Exciting cameo by him.
वही शॉट रिपीट करना चाहते थे। बैट के निचले हिस्से पे गेंद लगी है और आसान कैच इस बार एसपी सिंह के लिए। पर 21 धुआंधार रन बनाए, 199 पे 4।
Full toss goes big. Field under there. 2 fielders converging. And it's been taken by the fielder at deep mid-wicket. It was a full toss. Stuart Beanie's eyes just lit up. Just didn't get the proper connection on that one. Anti-climax again. 2 boundaries and a wicket.
जो वाकई मारने वाली गेंद थी उसमें कनेक्शन उतना अच्छा हुआ नहीं। हो जाता है कई बार, आप ज्यादा जोर से मारने के ट्राई करते हैं और फील्डर को ढूंढा अमित को, पर अच्छे 13 रन बनाए 225 पर 5।
Straight over the bowler's head. 6 runs.
The first words that Sunil Bhayu uttered, oh shabash, what a shot.
गेंद आई थी स्लॉट में, गई वो स्टेडियम के बाहर वाले प्लॉट में, वहां भी बिल्डिंग बन जाएगी.
Where the last ball of the innings going? Where's it going? Oh yes, nicely bowled. A big appeal turned down by the umpire. And the ball's racing to the boundary. It'll be stopped there. We'll see what the umpire says. Was it off the bat or was it going down? What does he say? There's nothing that he's saying. So there was bat is what the umpire is saying. So now respite for the Rajasthan Regals that it's all done. The carnage is finally over. There we go. The target for the Rajasthan Regals in their allotted 20 overs at 11.9 runs per over is 238 runs.
Now, can they respond to this challenge? Mega challenge. 238 is the asking total. A huge chase is in order.
जितनी भी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है वहां पर साकेत की और यूसुफ पठान की, जिस तरीके से उन्होंने बल्लेबाजी की है. और देखना होगा कि क्या राजस्थान रीगल्स इस लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करते हैं.
Can someone do the magic here? Good start by Binny. Cramping him first up, but of course we don't expect big runs from the very first ball. Pull this time, clear the field, clear the rope. 6 for Samarth. Just picked it up. Too short. And he's made it count.
और इस बार गेंद को खेल दिया है सीमा रेखा के बाहर 4 रनों के लिए. इस बार गेंद की गति का फायदा उठाया और गेंद को प्लेस कर दिया बैकवर्ड पॉइंट और थर्ड मैन के बीच से.
Oh, that did connect. And it's out of the park. Big 6. He's finding his rhythm.
लेकिन इस बार मौका था दिलशान के पास. हाफ फ्लिक, हाफ ड्राइव उछाल दिया मिड विकेट क्षेत्र में 6 रनों के लिए. बेहतरीन स्ट्रोक.
Hammered, shot, and hammered through mid wicket for a boundary. 37 without loss after 4.
And clean ball! Oh, there was a let off, but after that, Amit Mishra comes back and in style.
और दिलशान का फेवरेट शॉट खेलते हुए जब आप आउट कर लें, दिल स्कूप नहीं खेल पाए, उनसे टकरा के गेंद स्टंप्स को गई है, तो अमित मिश्रा इस विकेट को ताउम्र याद रखने वाले हैं. ना केवल आपकी टीम की वापसी हुई है, बल्कि आपने विरोधी टीम के सबसे धाकड़ बल्लेबाज को वापस भेजा है. 19 पर वापस दिलशान, 38 पर 1 रीगल्स.
Rajasthan Regals with Tilakaratne Dilshan back in the dugout. They'll need many more of those. What a way to get off the mark. Amit, the southpaw, gets a perfect connection on ball 1 off the mark with the boundary.
टेंशन यहां बॉलर्स को लेनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि समर्थ एक और चौका जड़ चुके हैं.
Gets some room, cuts it well, and no chance for the fielders there. Shot third at backward point, still pierces them. 50 on the board for the Rajasthan in Regal style. Goes for the big one, gets the inside edge. Not where he wanted to go, but the result, he'll definitely be happy with that. It's going to be the 3rd boundary in this over. Just wasn't off the bat. The bat turned this time in his hand, but still a proper connection though. And Amit now gets in the act. Connects well. Sweet sound. Super sweet sound. And an equally sweet result for Amit. Back-to-back boundaries to end the 7th over. 66 for 1. Takes the edge. No chance for Naman Ojha. Maybe the first slip if it would have carried for him. But there was absolute no chance for Naman there. Short ball, pulled in the air, fielders interested, at deep backward square leg. Oh, at a moment it felt like he hasn't judged it. But eventually, He's taken the catch and an animated, nice celebration from him as well. Amit, who was looking promising, is dismissed.
इस बार चौंकाया छोटी गेंद से, क्योंकि पिछली गेंद पिच टफ थी, इस बार छोटी गेंद आई, टाइमिंग बहुत अच्छी हुई नहीं। अर्नव सब्स्टिट्यूट फील्डर हैं, आसान कैच मुश्किल बन गया। एक आधा कदम जो आप आगे या पीछे एक्स्ट्रा लेते हैं उसे गड़बड़ हो जाती है, पर कोई गड़बड़ अंत में नहीं हुई। अमित वर्मा 18 पे वापस।
Cuts it again. Would probably be two. They're running hard between the wicket. He could have done better. He certainly could have.
काफ़ी अच्छा टीम एटमॉस्फेयर था, जो वाइब थी, जो एनर्जी थी टीम की। इनफैक्ट जब प्रैक्टिस मैच भी चल रहा था तो ये देखिए, ये पीछे ये हमारी जो लक है ना, वो काम आ रहा है
yes. In the meanwhile, we'll have to go back to the com box because it's a fall of a wicket.
And you talk about a magical turnaround of things. And then this is what happens. What a catch.
Oh, Stuart Binney. Best catch of Big Cricket League so far. और इतनी बड़ी बार सेट कर दी है स्टुअर्ट बिनी ने कि ऐसा कैच आगे आने वाले दिनों में पकड़ा जाए उसके भी चांसेस कम हैं।
ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टैलेंट इसमें रजिस्टर्ड कर पाएंगे और अगर वो सिलेक्ट होते हैं तो उनको भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी इस लीग में खेलने के लिए। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी पार्ट ऑफ द एमपी टाइगर एंड द बीसीएल बोथ।
Oh, this time, this is big. It's gone right across and ends it with a 6.
और इस बार गेंद को उछाला है सीधे साइड स्क्रीन की ओर, एक और चौका अर्जित किया।
Pawan Negi into the attack, and this one is straight up and into the hands of the fielder. Wicket first ball for the left arm spinner, and the fourth wicket falls for the Regals, but not enough bat onto it. First ball of the new over, and the wicket came. Parikshit Jadhav out for 10, 114 for 4. And he goes downtown. That's a big shot and it will sail over the rope. Mehul opens his account with a massive 6 down the ground.
लेकिन अंजाम देना आवश्यक और साइड स्क्रीन के पास भेज दिया।
Oh, he's swept that nicely. Down on one knee, and like I said, just a little too short. In fact, big appeal, should be outside the off stump. No, the umpire raises his finger. That's a wicket for Munawira, and Mehul is disappointed.
इस बार थोड़ी सी तेज गेंद फेंकी थी, बल्लेबाज उम्मीद नहीं कर रहे थे, गेंद टप्पा खाने के बाद अंदर आई, पुल करना चाहते थे और शायद इतनी छोटी नहीं थी और विकेट के सामने पकड़े गए। अंपायर को कोई अतिशयोक्ति नहीं उन्हें एलबीडब्ल्यू करार देने में। मेहुल पटेल ने बनाए 17 रन 8 गेंदों में। गेंद को खेला और ये आउट। मिड विकेट के ऊपर से गेंद को खेलने का प्रयास था 6 रनों के लिए, लेकिन कनेक्शन ठीक से हुआ नहीं। ऊंचाई जरूर प्राप्त की लेकिन दूरी नहीं, तो एक और विकेट का पतन होता हुआ।
Yes, he had been trying different things, trying the aerial route, or at least attempting so. This time, finds the fielder. Connected well, but straight in the hands of the fielder. He's gone for 27. It's 135 for 6.
Welcome back up. And the equation looks like this, and this could change it with the wicket going down. And the 7th one goes down. It is Nadeem who comes in and goes immediately. Another good catcher. And just reached out for it. And then there was that man towards deep mid wicket. So 135 for 7. Shahbaz Nadeem departs for 1. So the first one, of course. And this is gonna go. Straight goes the finger.
चलिए देखिए फिर से क्या हो गया, सीधे फील्डर के हाथों, और पवन नेगी खेल चुका है हाईएस्ट लेवल तक, और अच्छा थ्रो, इजी कलेक्शन द मनोजा के लिए। सूर्य प्रताप सिंह ने किए 3 रन 139 पर आए।
This time he gets it. He finally gets it. We're talking about the entertainment, Chaitanya. And when the last man gets it. And another one. This is much more longer. Look at that. What part of his personality he has unleashed. That's end of the over. 156 for 8 at the end of 19. And this will run for another boundary yet again. So back-to-back 4s and 6s. This time it's Prashant who joins the party. Towards his offside, and that will run. We'll have to wait what happened there. It's a catch and will be out. Faizan, the dream run, my friend, is over. But you did well. 2 6s. He was watching as well.
फैजान ने किए 14 161 पर 9।
Last ball for today. And, that would also go in for perhaps a single. And that's how things have been then. Yusuf Pathan, the man who has led the charge, led the team. Yusuf and Saket have been in prolific form, taking the team to the top. The first game they played today, and they've won convincingly. MP Tigers have roared loud and how, winning by 74 runs. That due has been, you've seen them. I wonder what conversation he's having there now. You've won the match, mate. That's how things have looked like. 163 for 9. Rajasthan Regals didn't get the match they would have wanted. Dilshan has in fact gone cheaply earlier on. Did get a couple of shots. Samarth was the man who kept on coming on this side. You have a look at the bowling. Negi, no need of introduction for that man. Got 3 wickets. You have a look at how things panned out. Eventually, both these teams. So there it is. Tigers batting first. Eventually got 237. That's the highest scorer, let me tell you. And then Regals falling short by 74 runs amidst all that loud cheers. There was Samarth, in fact, who tried to get Regals into the game. But it's been a pretty comprehensive victory.